if you're looking for the best inulin powder, in this video I'm going to share with you why I chose to buy the ultimate brand of organic inulin powder instead of other inulin powders. So basically, inulin powder is a prebiotic fiber, and this can be sourced from several different types of plants, but specifically there's one type that's actually much more researched than all the others, and it's the chicory root type. Some of the other inulin powders are actually sourced from blue agave or even Jerusalem artichokes, and they come from China or Mexico, but this one is actually non-GMO certified organic chicory root powder. Chicory root powder inulin is actually what is used in most commercial type of products like yogurts and other recipes. So I actually would trust chicory root powder much more than, say, blue agave or Jerusalem artichoke, which have been way less studied. So that's actually one of the big reasons why I chose the ultimate brand. But this one is actually more versatile as well, because this one is actually formulated specifically to be able to help make yogurt. And I'm really into making my own homemade yogurt. So not only can I use this one as just a natural prebiotic fiber in my drinks and smoothies and everyday routine, but I can also use this to help boost up my homemade yogurt. Here's what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, this is actually a really nice fine powder, which means that it dissolves really nicely into liquid, so not gonna have any like chunky powder if you dissolve this into a beverage. It also comes with a money back guarantee, which I really appreciate, because when you're trying new products, sometimes you could spend a good amount of money on things and not actually like them. So they actually really stand behind their products. Now, I also purchased the ultimate brand of yogurt maker and their yogurt strainer. So check out my other review videos for those specific products, because this company is making it really easy to make your own homemade yogurt and help boost your prebiotic and probiotic gut health. So if you're looking to purchase this one, check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase the ultimate organic inulin powder. As I said, I think this is actually the best inulin powder available this year. So I hope that you found this review helpful. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and check out my other review videos and my Amazon storefront for even more. I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of other videos of how I'm making homemade yogurt.